Wildcat. Today we're looking at 6. Drive responsibly. Choosing a function to model BAC. The student works 1 and 2. Let's take a look at the next page. Drinking and driving don't mix. Blood alcohol content, BAC, is a way of measuring the amount of alcohol in a person's bloodstream. BAC levels are measured in percentages. A recent study shows that a person with no alcohol in the blood system has a 1.8% chance of causing a car accident. There is a relationship between the relative probability of a driver causing a car accident and a driver's BAC. The relative probability is the number of times more likely a driver with alcohol in their blood system is to cause a car accident than a driver with no alcohol in their blood system. For example, a relative probability of 2 for a driver with a BAC of 0.06% means that a car accident is twice as likely to occur as for the driver with a BAC of 0. 1. Explain the difference in meaning between probability and relative probability using the values in this scenario. Relative probability is the number assigned to a probability for a comparison purpose. In this case, a relative probability of 1 is assigned to the probability of 1.8%. Both represent a person with a 0 BAC or no alcohol in their blood system. 2. Use the likelihood of a person with no alcohol in their blood system causing a car accident to answer each question. There is a relative probability of 2 that a person with a BAC of 0.06% causes an accident. What is the probability that this person will cause a car accident? The probability that a person with a BAC of 0.06% will cause a car accident is 2 times 0.018, which equals 0.036, which equals 3.6%. Let's take a look at the next page. B. There is a relative probability of 5 that a person with a BAC of 0.10% causes an accident, with the probability that this person will cause a car accident. The probability that a person with a BAC of 0.10% will cause a car accident is 5 times 0.018, which equals 0.09, which equals 9%. C. There is a relative probability of 25 that a person with a BAC of 0.16% causes an accident. What is the probability that this person will cause a car accident? The probability that a person with a BAC of 0.16% will cause a car accident is 25 times 0.018, which equals 0.45, which equals 45%. 3. Examine your answers from question 2. What do you notice about the rate at which alcohol affects a person's ability to drive? As a person's BAC increases, the probability that they will cause an accident increases dramatically. All right, let's take a look at the next page. All right, go ahead and mark this page out. 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 All right, the student works 1 and 2. The student works 1, 2A, and 3A. All right, go ahead and finish up your notes, start working on the assignment, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.